Why didn't I choose the aquarium, the beach, the museum? Because he wants me to compare between the number of the aquarium and the museum together. When I added the aquarium and the museum together, I found out that the sum is 7. So I want a number that is bigger than 7. What is the number that is bigger than 7 here in the bar graph? It's 8, which is the zoo. Okay, so the answer is the zoo, because he is asking, because he said that Greg chose a place that has more votes, and the only place that has more votes than 7, or has a number that is bigger than 7, is the zoo. So the answer is the zoo. Okay. Now let's move on to the last bar graph that we are going to discuss in our session today. Question number 9. The bar graph, let me tell you that the bar graph is about trees at the farm. Okay, again, it's about the trees at the farm. Let's answer the questions related to this bar graph. Question number 9. How many trees are at the farm? Okay, he is asking me about the total number of trees that is in the farm. Okay, let me add, okay, the number of the trees that I have. Okay, first I have the oak trees. There are 6 oak trees, so 6. How many pecan trees do I have? I have 3. Okay, because the bar ends at number 3. How many maple trees do I have? I have 7 maple trees, so 7 plus how many apple trees do I have? I have 2 apple trees. So 6 plus 3 plus 7 plus 2 will give me a total of 18 trees. Okay, because 6 plus 3 is equal 9, 9 plus 7 is equal 16, 16 plus 2 is equal 18. Okay, so I have a total of 18 trees in the farm. Okay, now let's move on to question number 10. How many trees are not apple trees? So as we said in the previous bar graph, we are going to add all the trees that are not apple trees, okay, which are the oak trees, the pecan tree, and the maple trees. Okay, I have a total number of 6 oak trees, so I'm going to write 6. I have a total number of 3 pecan and 7 maple. Okay, I'm going to add the 3 of them in order to find how many trees are not apple trees. Okay, 6 plus 3 is equal 9, 9 plus 7 is equal 16. So I have a total of 16 trees that are not apple trees. Okay, now let's move on to the last question, which is question 12. Use the data in the bar graph about trees to finish the sentences. There are how many fewer apple trees than oak trees? Explain. Okay, now we are going to compare between the apple trees and the oak trees. Okay, I'm going to see how many there are fewer apple trees than the oak trees. Okay, when I see the word fewer, I have to subtract in order to find the difference between the oak trees, the number of oak trees, and the number of apple trees. Now the number of oak trees is 6. Okay, and the number of apple trees is 2. So I'm going to subtract 6 from 2. 6 minus 2 is equal 4. So there are 4 fewer apple trees than oak trees. Okay, finally we've reached to the end of our session. I hope you've understood how to read bar graphs. See you in the next session. Bye-bye.